So it took me a full week, like a full 7 days before I got my first sale on Etsy, and I legit thought that Etsy was broken. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Hannah Gardner. Welcome to this video. In my channel, I'm documenting my e-commerce journey. So if that's your jazz, subscribe. This is going to be a full breakdown of how I got my first Etsy sale. There's a lot of things that go into setting up a successful Etsy store. I also just knew a lot of stuff about SEO from having e-commerce clients, and it's all kind of similar on every platform. Let's just hop right into it, and I'm going to show you my store. It's called The Views & Co, and I'm going to show you every single thing that I did to optimize my Etsy store, like as best as possible, like to the most you can optimize the store. I did it. And yeah, it took me a full week to get my first sale, and apparently that's pretty normal because Etsy is just trying to figure out, okay, are you a legit seller? You're not like a sketchy like drop shipper, like you have good quality products. They really analyze like how much work you put into your store. So are you putting up, you know, good quality pictures? Are you putting your descriptions? Do you have a privacy policy? Do you have an FAQ? All these different things. So I'm gonna hop into my computer and we're gonna split the screen here so I can actually show you my store and show you all of the things that I did to optimize it to the highest potential. So let me just grab my computer real quick. All right, cool. So we're gonna hop into, we're inside of my Etsy account. So I'm up to 2 sales now, but my second sale actually came from messing with promoting listings, but my first sale was organic. So as you can see, some things right off the bat that are really important for the SEO and just like optimizing your store as best as possible is go ahead. You want to add a good, clear, branded image in your cover photo. There's something that I just discovered called Snappa or Canva. I can put the links in the description of these like other platforms. They're free platforms where you can make cover photos, but Snappa was a really cool one because it sizes whatever you're trying to make like perfectly, or you can put in the width and the height of what size you need, because I know sometimes when I'm making like other thumbnails or like Facebook cover photos and stuff, like they never fit. But Snappa is great because they might even have an Etsy thing. Let's see. Etsy. No, they don't have an Etsy thing. But I'm sure